Welcome to Spiriversity. Today, we're exploring the transformative power of positive affirmations. If you're looking to change your mindset and improve your life, you're in the right place. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and wellness. Let's get started. Introduction to Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and believe in them, you can start to make positive changes. Affirmations work by reprogramming your subconscious mind to encourage you to believe certain things about yourself or about the world and your place within it. The science behind affirmations. Research shows that affirmations can help rewire our brains. By consistently focusing on positive statements, we can create new neural pathways that support a more optimistic and empowered mindset. This process is known as neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. How to create effective affirmations. Creating effective affirmations is key to their success. Here are some tips. Number 1. Use the present tense. Phrase your affirmations as if they are already happening. For example, I am confident instead of I will be confident. Number 2. Keep them positive. Focus on what you want to achieve, not what you want to avoid. For example, I am healthy and energetic instead of I am not tired. Number 3. Be specific. Tailor your affirmations to your personal goals and needs. For example, I am attracting loving and supportive relationships instead of I want better relationships. Examples of positive affirmations. Here are some examples of positive affirmations you can use. Number 1. I am worthy of love and respect. Number 2. I am capable of achieving my goals. Number 3. I am grateful for all the good things in my life. Number 4. I am confident and self-assured. Number 5. I attract positivity and abundance into my life. Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. To make affirmations a part of your daily routine, try these tips. Number 1. Morning routine. Start your day with affirmations to set a positive tone. Say them while brushing your teeth or during your morning meditation. #2.exercise. Repeat affirmations during your workout to boost motivation and focus. Number 3. Before bed, end your day with affirmations to reinforce positive thoughts as you sleep. Number 4. Affirmation journal. Write down your affirmations daily to reinforce them and track your progress. Thank you for joining us on this journey to harness the power of affirmations. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing, and you'll start to see positive changes in your mindset and life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Spiriversity for more tips on personal growth and wellness. See you next time.